Alright, so positive day, Gilibers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga Gilibers natin. And sa first time po tayo panood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay, so pasensya na, maaga pa kasi. Hinahabol natin si mawawala natin ng water or power or ano, di ba? May nire-repair. Alright. Anyway, so ganito. Sa lahat ng mga Gilibers natin na gusto kong mag-start na kanilang scalable business, available na ating e-course. Salamat sa may nag-order na. And ito, in-edit na rin yung ating third e-course, how to become the next rockstar speaker. And we'll have our first webinar, April 24, on how to transition your life from ordinary to extraordinary. Message lang kayo sa akin. Okay, so get your coffee and pag-aralan natin ngayon yung kumakalat na balita. Salamat pala sa manood ng aking video sa aking FB and FB page and FB account, okay? So, stop, doing these things and you can do these 6 things. You will be stop doing 4 things to do 6 things. Yan, alright. So, ang kumakalat na balita ay online entrepreneur. Yan. Or online business. So, if you want to become an online entrepreneur, ano ba yung ginagawa mo at ano ba talaga, paano ba magtatagumpay o magtatagumpay ka ba talaga, what is the chance, di ba? Yung mga tanong sa atin when I have business coaching and tanong nila, Doc, magtatagumpay pa ako dito, okay? So, may guarantee ba na pag nag-start ako ng online business ko ay magtatagumpay ako? So, with this formula, baka magtagumpay tayo. And actually, nasa puso yan eh, pag dinisar mo, wala ka ng plan BC. Kaya nga si Sir Dan Peña, the billionaire ba siya o trillionaire na? Sobrang, billionaire, yeah. Billionaire. So, sobrang yaman niya. Sabi niya, I don't have plan B. I don't have plan C. Kasi pag ginusto niya, natutupad. So, it's all about your willingness, your mindset, and all that. Okay? So, pero pag-aralan natin ngayon, online entrepreneur. So, doon sa mga nag-start pa lang, paano bang gagawin natin dyan, Doc? So, una, when you are an online entrepreneur, so, dalawang bagay pa rin yan. It's services and products. So, it's just the same ng traditional business. So, it's either you are selling products or providing services. So, ang services natin dito, it's either you are doing some training, like webinar. So, may mga seminars ka online. Meron kang, like what I'm doing, one-on-one coaching. Yan, magwe-webinar na rin tayo. Or training, business consultation. So, anything na gagawin mo sa online. So, if you are training, giving information to people, tutorial, pwedeng sa academic or other areas. So, you are an online entrepreneur. Right? So, anything na ginagawa mo through internet. Okay? So, yan ang ating yan ang online entrepreneur. Right? And, or you are selling products. So, for example, you are selling t-shirt or any item. So, bags or so, online. Okay? So, you are negotiating through online sa mga kliyente mo, or you are showing your products online through your page, website, or anything. Okay? So, yan yung, ito yung, you are selling also products. Then, siniship na lang. Or, if you are into dropshipping, so, yan, wala ka ng problems dyan sa pag-dropshipping. So, yun nang, yung kausap na, for example, sa AliExpress ka nakuha ng products, so sila na magsasend ng mga products mo. So, it's a different thing, yung dropshipping. Okay? Mahaba siyang proseso. Alright? Or, you are selling mga e-products. Like to, madami nang nagbebenta yan. E-course, e-book, yan. So, all that. So, yan yung mga e-products. So, yan ang work ng isang online entrepreneur. Alright? So, if you want to engage with that, congratulations kasi nagpupunta ka na sa isang scalable business. Marami nang gumagawa niyan kasi pwede mo siyang gawing part-time, okay, or full-time. Marami nang nagsimula as, let's say, a virtual assistant muna sila, then eventually naging online entrepreneur na sila. So, from part-time, naging full-time na nila. Alright? Pero paano ba magiging full-time? Or paano ka magiging matagumpay na online entrepreneur? So, ganito kasi, marami nagsisimula niyan. Then, they end up na hindi nagtagumpay. So, na-procrastinate sila. So, kasi nga meron silang namimiss na procedure. Okay? So, yun ang di-discuss natin. Right? So, number 1, you need to understand yan. Okay? So, you need to understand 5 things when you start your online business or online entrepreneur. So, number 1, you need to understand that it's a process. Alright? So, it's a process. So, meaning to say, it takes time bago tayo kumita sa online. Marami nga kasi na nagmamadali eh. So, halimbawa, nag-post ngayon, wala pang bumili eh, di ba? Kailan ka ba nag-post? Last week lang, wala ka mga follower. Di-discuss natin yan, paano tayo magkaroon ng follower. So, it's a process, okay? Number 1, it takes time. Okay? So, marami naman nag-online na, hindi naman agad nagtagumpay. When I started doing online businesses, 3 years back, okay? So, ngayon lang din tayo dumami ang clients ng coaching, business consultation. Yeah, so, alam nyo, pero kasi ako, hindi ko alam kung may something unique sa akin eh. Nung nilaunch ko to, when I do online training, ano talaga siya eh, ang bilis ng growth. So, ang bilis ng growth. So, sabi ko, it's a process, pero sa akin, mabilis eh. So, ito siguro yung ibang mga items ginawa natin, okay? Pero as a beginner, it takes time. So, huwag kayong mawalan ng yung pag-asa agad, no? Pero walang bumibili, okay? Wala namang nagpapayo. So, tingnan natin dito, ano pa yung pwede natin gawin, okay? So, it's a process because it takes time and you have to be patient. Kasi mapagpasensya tayo kasi kailangan mong matutunan yung skill. For example, gusto mong magturo ng webinar. So, alamin mo, ano yung Zoom, okay? So, yan ngayon yung namin eh, yung team ko eh. So, nag-start na tayo, yung mga ka-meeting ko via Zoom ko na kinakausap, hindi na sa video call. So, yung iba, nahihirapan. Ako din, nahihirapan. Pero, meron naman akong team to do that. So, kailangan mong maging well-versed sa mga ganyan. Okay? So, kung gusto mong magawa ng e-products, online entrepreneur, mahirap yan. So, madami kang pagdadaanan. Gagawa ka isip isip mo na yung market mo, sino yung market mo. Okay? So, second, gagawa ka mag-outline ka, or tatapatan mo sino market mo, anong problema nila. Then, gagawa ka ng e-products. Then, gagawa ka ng outline. Pag nagawa mo yung outline mo, gagawa mo ng script. Yun yung mahirap, yung detalye ng di-discuss mo. Then, isushoot mo siya. Alam niyo, ang problema ko nga, then medyo maingay paligid namin, so hindi naman ako makaalis. So, kaya sa kotse ako anong tawag dito? Sa kotse po ako nag-shoot nung e-courses ko, 2. Then, ngayon, isa-send namin siya, kasi hindi kami pwede mag-meet, so, isa-send ko siya sa editor ko. Kasi, hindi naman taga dito editor ko, medyo malayo sa akin. Alright? So, ngayon, ine-edit niya. So, that's the process. And you have to be patient in doing the online. So, hindi porke sinabing online, madali na. Hindi po. Proseso siya. Okay? Kung gagawa ka naman ebook, yung training nga ni Ma'am siya na sino is 90 days ang training. That's just a training, 90 days. That's almost 3 months. Training lang yun, Okay? So, yung gagawa ka pa. So, it will take you 1 year to do the ebook. Pero, sabi ko nga, alam nyo, ako, blessing talaga ni Lord. When I wrote my book, How to Embrace Transformation, it took me 5 weeks. 5 weeks lang, no training, no mentor, no coach. Alright? So, may sekreto tayo. Pag-usapan natin yan. Okay? Then, when I launched my online business, yung opera namin, month lang talaga, kumita na ng malaki. So, ito kasi may mga iba ditong items na ginagawa na natin. Okay? So, it's a process. Tandaan natin. Okay, so madalang lang yung biglang gano'n na, Doc, ikaw naman kasi meron kang YouTube channel. So, yun nga pag-aaralan natin eh. Kaya, mabilis yung ating process. Pero when I wrote my first book, wala pa akong YouTube that. Meron na ata, pero hindi pa siya gano'n kadaming subscriber. Okay? So, second, while you are doing, remember that you need to have one source. Okay? So, ito. Pag nag-start ka maging online entrepreneur, make sure meron kang source of income. Hindi ito muna yung inaasahan mo na magbabayad ng bills, dito ka kukuha ng allowance nyo, dito ka kukuha ng pambayad ng kotse mo, hindi po. Ito ay isa siyang, ang tawag dito, hindi pa siya agad sa'yo magbibigay ng income. mga 6 months, 1 year, yung iba nga 3 years bago nagkaroon ng ng income. So habang ini-establish muna nila. So while you are establishing your online business, dapat meron kang isang solid source of income. Kaya nga mostly ginagawa po siya on the side muna. Okay? Meron silang full-time job or merong isang business, tapos ito unti-unti ginagawa nila. So you can do the same process. Okay? So, i-apply mo na lang yung 1-hour rule. What is a 1-hour rule? Ang 1-hour rule, ito yung everyday, you are allotting 1 hour to do this online business. So, 1 hour mo everyday. Example, you decided na 8 to 9 p.m. So, 8 to 9, magsusulat ka ng e-course mo muna, ng e-book mo muna. Okay, so gawa ka muna ng page mo, website mo, kung anong gusto mong platform. So, something like that, okay? So, pero meron kang isang work na magbibigay ng income for you and your family, right? And, third is, okay, so, third, try natin. Nakopin nyo na po siguro to, no? Third is, you really need to master the skill. Yung ituturo mo o yung gagawin mo, dapat master mo siya. Kaya nga, it's a process eh. Dapat pinag-aaralan mo siya. For example, gusto mo maging coach online, okay? So, dapat yung craft na yon, how to become coach, ma-master mo siya. Alam mo kung paano yung strategy to ask questions sa yung mga kliyente, how are you going to end the conversation, paano ka magpo-follow up and all that. Okay? So, dapat ma-master mo siya. Kung ikaw naman for example, as a social media manager, so, aralin mo rin talaga yan. So, dapat master mo yan. So, alam mo in and out, alam mo yung back and front ng business, alam mo yung, pag sinabi pa lang ng kliyente mo, alam ko na yan, di ba? Like one time, meron akong kausap, isa siyang social media manager. Sabi ko, try mo nga. So, kasi matagal ko nahawak ang CP ko, may ilang minutes na, hindi ako makapag-post kasi wala akong caption. So, sinend ko sa kanya, alam niyo, in just, seconds lang nakapaglagay siya ng caption. So, master niya na, the art of writing, that's captioning sa social media. So, you need to master all the details of that skill. Alright? So, para magtagumpay ang yung online business, hindi pwedeng nag-aalas-chamba ka lang. Baka ito, hindi ganon. Kailangan, you have to master what you are teaching to the people. Para sila din, nararamdaman nila, ay, alam niya sinasabi niya. Well, of course, siya yung expert siya doon. Mararamdaman nila yun Pag naramdaman nila yun na. So, they will share it to other people, yung word of mouth na tinatawag natin, then you'll have another client. Okay? Right? So, next, ito, number 4 is start gaining followers. Alright? So, ito na yung sinasabi ko. Siguro sa akin, sa ano namin, sa overrun products namin and sa coaching ko, ito siguro yung isa kong edge dahil marami na akong followers when I started that. So, kung wala ka pang followers ngayon, mag-start ka na mag-online entrepreneur, online business, or you as an online entrepreneur, so dapat, ito yung aralin mo. Paano ako makakuha ng followers? Kung mag-start ka na magkaroon ng FB page, so paano ka magkakaroon ng followers through your FB page? So, ngayon, di ba, simulan mo na. So, sabi ko nga, it's, hindi lang ako nagsabi, maraming tao. Pag nagpunta ka sa nakipag-usap ka sa mga great entrepreneur, ang sasabihin nila, you serve first before you gain. Di ba? Nag-post muna ako maraming videos bago ako nagbenta ng products, bago ako nag-coach, kumuha ng client. Wala pa yan sa isipan ko that time. Ang isip ko noon, mapag-share. So, share how to embrace transformation, how to become the rockstar speaker, paano magnegosyo sa bigasan, sa sari-sari store, balutan, yung mga ganon, kung ano yung gusto ng client ko. So, you have to gain followers. So, mag-publish ka ng mga articles, videos. So, na-discuss na yan. Maraming beses na tayo na natin pinag-aralan yan. Okay? So, you need to gain followers kasi yan ang magiging market mo. Okay? So, every day, sabi ko nga, apply the 1-hour rule. Meron kang 1 hour to think about kung paano mo papaganda yung FB mo, yung website mo, or you even have your own YouTube channel para mas malawak yung platform mo or yung magiging audience mo, okay? Try to take specific actions to gain followers, alright? And number 5, ito. Yan. Continue the spirit of serving. For example, nakakuha ka na ng first 2 or 3 clients. So, tuloy-tuloy mo pa rin yung advocacy mo to help people. Tapos, yung channel ko po, ang dami ko ng clients dito. I can stop na eh. Kasi 165,000. Then, ang dami ko na rin mga nakuwang followers. I mean, kliyente. So, marami na rin ng buyers. So, pwede na ako mag-stop eh. So, pwede na lang ako mag-upload ng once a week video or twice a week. Pero I'm not doing that. Kasi I'm still in the spirit of serving. Continue the spirit of serving the people. Kaya po, ulitin ko po ulit explanation ko. Kaya minsan nag-upload talaga ako 2 times, 3 times a day. Kasi, I want to cater do sa mga iba't ibang klase followers ko. May followers po kasi ang estudyante, retiree, pa-retire, aspiring entrepreneur, matagal na entrepreneur, business owner, mga empleyado, public and private. So, marami. Kaya, minsan yung topic ko po, iba-iba. Pag mapapansin nyo, merong moral motivation, may mga pastors din tayo, mga subscribers. So, kaya iba-ibang topic ko, I want to cater to my different followers. So, I'm continuing the spirit of service. Okay, kaya minsan po, may mga nakikusap sa ating coach, magpa-coach, Doc, ito lang kasi yung budget natin. So, it's okay. Kaya minsan, pag merong mga nakipag-usap sa atin na masyadong ma-computer, sabi ko, sige, huwag ka na po magbayad. Diba? So, continue the spirit of serving, okay? When you are an online entrepreneur. Okay? Yan kasi yun eh, yung why mo, yung reason mo. You just always go back to your reason, alright? So, that's the process of sa isang matagumpay na online entrepreneur. So, you want to start your online business, dapat yan yun. It's a process, di ba? Meron kang isang source of income. Alright? So, you master that skill, you continue to gain followers, and continue the spirit of serving people. When you are serving people, di ba, mas dumadami yan, mas ikinakalat ka nila sa ibang tao kasi nasa-servan mo sila, so mas lumalaki yung client mo. Okay? It's not always taking. So, you have to give first. Okay? Give back. Alright? Okay, so, salamat gusto magpo ko sa atin. Doc, paano ba tulungan mo ako? I want to start this. By the way, ngayon, meron tayong mga ginagawa ngayon, online coaching on how to become the next rockstar speaker, how to become a coach. So, para makapag-start ka sa online entrepreneur, so message lang kayo sa akin, okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat may bigyan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo mabago ito muna natin buhay. Thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day. Eh? Let's go, let's go.